Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a SoFi account in just minutes. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile of course, but we of course need to go and learn how you can actually go and sign up first. So as you can see, we're in the application. Invest simple, sign up and try it out. So we have the sign up and login option. Of course, you'll be clicking on the sign up option. Here you have the opportunity to sign up with Facebook, with Google. You can continue with Apple or put your in your email, password and sign up like that, which I will be doing now. So I'll be just putting my email here. Then I'll be putting a password that I will be using. Just a second. I'll choose my own password, the password that I'll be using for this application, and then just, of course, click that you accept the terms, click sign up, and now your account will be created. So it takes some time for the account to create, of course. Until then, you can, of course, go and see what some other things here. Oh, you're here, almost there, verify your email address. So guys, you just now need to go to your email and click on the email address that the SoFi application sent you, and you will have your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.